Good evening, class. Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to present about the personal learning pathway of advanced healthcare leadership. Firstly, advanced healthcare leadership prepares a graduate to come out with the leadership skills within the healthcare setting. Students will be able to apply the professional leadership concept as a member of multidisciplinary healthcare team in an organization. So the five major learning objective that I have selected from this course is to learn about various challenges faced by the leaders, to learn and adapt various procedures, practices, strategies, to learn about how a leader manages today's working area, to learn and understand different styles and skills in leadership, to understand and study the funding models used in the Canadian healthcare system. So moving on to the implementation of learning outcome in my profession. So this advanced healthcare leadership program helped me in developing effective communication and collaboration strategies to boost this teamwork. And it helped me to understand how to use the electronic health records effectively in the healthcare setting. And also, I have learned about the various acts and regulations followed by the Canadian healthcare system. The most valuable part of advanced healthcare leadership program was I have learned about the modern technology and technical advances in the healthcare settings like webinars, Adobe sessions, online presentations, assignments, feedback discussion forum, which helped me to become successful nurse leader. Class presentations and assignments helped me in developing right language and communication skills, which was essential for my nursing career. And the most challenging part of this advanced healthcare leadership program was financial management course. After studying complex mathematics for a long period of time, I'm studying around complex mathematical calculation after 7 years, and it made me difficult to learn about this subject. And if I get a chance to redo this course and going back and start from the first, I would prefer to not go for my part-time job because I felt difficult to study and work together. So rather than going part-time job, before starting the program, I would collect some fund for to meet my expenses during the program, and this will help me to learn more effectively and get a more better GPA than current GPA. So that is my plan. And the learning pathway of advanced healthcare leadership. So it was my dream to come to Canada and do my postgraduate degree. So for that, I have written my international English language test first, and after that I have did a research on the colleges which provides a required course, and I have selected Lambton College for that. And after that, I have selected the program, PG program, Advanced Healthcare Leadership. Then I have now I am in my 4th semester of Advanced Healthcare Leadership program. Once I complete this, I will get a postgraduate certificate from Lambton College. Next is learning pathway for RN license. For each nurses who are coming from India and other part of country, so the first step in RN license is first you have to open an account in NNAS, that means National Nursing Assessment Service. Then you have to fill an application form online, and once you complete the application form, you have to pay the fees in US dollars, and after completing the payment, you will able to download some forms which you have to send to the organization where you have worked and studied back home, and the organization will directly fill the form and directly send it to the NNAS, and the NNAS will evaluate the documents which is received from the organization. They will give the advisory report, and then this advisory report, a candidate should be submitted to College of Nurses Ontario, and College of Nurses Ontario will review this advisory report, and if you are eligible, they'll give the approval to write the RN license exam. If you are not eligible, you have to do another course or some other exam which is called OSCE. So you have to write exam, and then they will give the eligibility to write RN exam. Once you get the eligibility, you can directly go book the exam and write the exam, and you will get your license. And that is the learning pathway of RN license here. Then lastly, conclusion. Advanced Healthcare Leadership is a program made up for future leaders in the healthcare system. Overall, the course makes the learner to build excellent leadership skills, which is essential in this competitive and multidisciplinary, multicultural country like Canada. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you.